Welcome to the gorgeous Sandals Royal Barbados. Today we'll be giving you a quick room tour of the Royal Seaside Crystal Lagoon Swim-Up 1-bedroom Butler Suite with patio featuring a tranquility soaking tub, also known as 1SUP. As we enter this stunning suite, the first thing you'll notice is the spacious and serene bedroom, featuring a king-size bed and ample storage in both the closet and dresser. You can enjoy your favorite shows and movies on one of the 2 large flat-screen TVs. This room features sliding wooden doors that divide the bedroom and living room that are easily closed to separate the 2 areas to help provide more darkness for a great night's sleep. The living room features a couch, chair, and coffee table, along with another large flat-screen TV. On the first day of your vacation, you will find snacks and champagne on ice that are able to be replenished each day if you choose. The fully stocked mini fridge is already full of our favorite drinks of choice, and it will be replenished each day of your stay. There's also a fully stocked mini bar with a selection of alcohol to make your own drinks in the room, along with barware as well. The sliding doors fully open to enjoy both the inside and outdoor patio at once. The soaking tub is amazing. There's a patio table along with chairs, a massive outdoor couch for relaxing, as well as loungers that are in the pool where you can enjoy the water. The swim-up pool is the perfect refreshing temperature. The swim-up pool is massive. We never saw anyone else in the lagoon pool while we were on our vacation. This room faces the infinity pool with views of the ocean and beach as well. The suite's bathroom is a sanctuary of its own, featuring a double vanity and a massive, luxurious shower with 2 shower heads for the ultimate relaxation experience. This room is in a perfect location on the resort. A quick 2-minute walk to the beach. And you soon will be able to enjoy the gorgeous sand and azure Caribbean waters. We thoroughly enjoyed our stay in the 1SUP. It was absolute perfection and ultimate relaxation. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Royal Seaside Crystal Lagoon Swim-Up 1-bedroom Butler Suite with patio tranquility soaking tub at Sandals Royal Barbados. We loved our stay here. Would you want to stay here as well? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have any other questions about Sandals Royal Barbados, let us know. We're happy to answer any questions. Thanks for watching.